Hey, this is Jason with Call Telemetry, and today we're going to look at deploying the OVA, connecting it to Callmanager, and building a quick policy to inject a simple greeting that says your call may be monitored or recorded before connecting the call. I'm in VMware, and I've deployed the OVA, and I can see the appliance has pulled an IP address from DHCP. Let's go to that IP address using HTTPS and create an account. All right, no policies. Yep, let's create one. Inject a greeting. Grab the policy URL, take it to Callmanager. This is going to go under Call Routing, External Call Control Profile. Let's create a new one. Inject a greeting, and we'll paste it right here. And the IP address and URL are populated automatically from the appliance. Let's hit Save. Now let's apply this policy to a phone. This is extension 1001. I'm going to go into the extension. You can apply the external policy right here on any extension or translation pattern or route pattern. Hit Save. Go back to Call Telemetry. If you refresh the page, we see that the policy is healthy and registered. All right, let's go into the policy. Let's build a rule. Inject call recorded greeting. The called number is a regex pattern .star. The called number is 1001. Let's hit create. Greeting is a modifier, so let's turn that on and let's grab our greeting. Now Callmanager has some built-in greetings for us. We can just go to the announcement page. We can grab any of these announcements. We're going to grab monitoring warning 0055. So just copy that text, paste it, save, and dial the number. Here we go.
This call may be monitored or recorded.
And that's it. The call just continues as normal after the policy injected greeting. And this feature is completely free in the Community Edition. If you want to upload your own greeting, you can go to Callmanager and go to Media Resources Announcement. Click Add New to create one. And you can upload a compatible WAV file here and then reference it back in Call Telemetry using the identifier, in this case, test. And it would play the greeting. And that wraps up our episode on policy-based greeting injection. If you like these videos, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe. And if you want to see more real-time features, check out calltelemetry.com.